The meaning of AUM, the sound of the universe. What if a single sound could connect you to the heartbeat of the universe, a sound that transcends cultures, time, and even the boundaries of individual consciousness? This sound exists. It is AUM, also spelled as OM, revered in spiritual traditions as the primordial sound from which all creation arises and into which all existence dissolves. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the profound meaning of AUM, the sound of the universe. Together, we will explore what AUM represents, its breakdown into 3 sacred syllables, its function as a mantra in meditation, its application in sound therapy, and how it can harmonize our body, mind, and spirit. By the end, you will not only understand AUM, but experience its transformative power in your spiritual practice. AUM is believed to encapsulate the essence of the universe. According to ancient teachings, it is the vibration of universal energy itself, the sound from which all creation originates. The Vedic scriptures describe AUM as the first sound, a divine frequency that carries the truth of existence within it. Even modern science aligns with this ancient wisdom, suggesting that the entire universe vibrates, and AUM symbolizes that collective resonation. This sacred sound is not merely a chant. It's a bridge between the physical and metaphysical. When we chant AUM, we align ourselves with the rhythmic vibration of the cosmos, creating a profound sense of unity with all that is. AUM consists of 3 distinct syllables, A, U, and M, each with its own spiritual and symbolic meaning. Let's look at them closely. AR. The first syllable represents the waking state, the world we experience through our senses every day. It symbolizes creation, the beginning of existence. U. The second syllable represents the dream state, the realm of the subconscious mind, imagination, and inner reflection. This is the state where possibilities take shape. M. The third syllable represents the deep sleep state, where consciousness dissolves into stillness. It signifies unity, rest, and ultimate peace. When these 3 sounds merge into one, they culminate in a moment of silence. This silence represents the state of infinite awareness, the divine source from which all things arise. The AUM symbol is a visual representation of its true essence. The curves in the symbol correspond to the states of consciousness, waking, dreaming, and deep sleep. The dot at the top signifies transcendence, while the crescent beneath it reflects the veil of illusion. Together, the symbol portrays the balance between the finite and the infinite, the seen and the unseen. AUM is widely regarded as the most powerful mantra in spiritual practices. But what is a mantra? Simply put, a mantra is a sacred sound or phrase that helps focus the mind and elevate the spirit. When chanted, AUM acts as a conduit, carrying us from scattered thoughts towards stillness, from the chaos of daily life toward inner peace. It is often used to begin and conclude meditative sessions, preparing the mind to connect with the deeper self. Chanting AUM is simple yet profoundly effective. Here's how you can practice it. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably with your back straight. Take a deep breath and begin to chant AUM. Focus on each part of the sound. A resonates in the abdomen, U vibrates in the chest, and MIM vibrates in the head. Allow the sound to dissolve into silence, noticing how it feels in your body and mind. Repeat the chant as often as needed, letting it deepen your meditative state. With regular practice, you'll discover the calming and centering effects of AUM. Everything in existence vibrates, including our own bodies. AUM is a vibrational mantra, meaning its resonance extends beyond our audible hearing. It reverberates within us, harmonizing our physical, emotional, and spiritual selves. When chanted, the vibration of AUM creates a profound sense of alignment. It opens blocked energy pathways and activates the body's energy centers or chakras. This is why AUM is central to spiritual seekers who wish to create balance and healing within and beyond themselves. Ancient spirituality has long recognized the power of AUM, but modern science is also beginning to uncover its benefits. Studies show that chanting AUM quiets the mind by activating the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for relaxation. The vibration of AUM aligns with calming theta brain waves, which are associated with states of deep meditation and creativity. Its resonance within the body also promotes mindfulness and reduces stress. In sound therapy, AUM has even been used to help heal emotional trauma and cultivate inner peace. Sound therapy focuses on the principle that specific vibrations can heal and balance the body and mind. AUM is uniquely suited to this practice because its vibrational frequency harmonizes deeply with our own being. The sound Ah is said to vibrate in the abdomen, promoting physical balance. Oo resonates in the chest, opening the heart space. M vibrates in the head, calming the mind and encouraging clarity. Together, AUM creates a complete sound that soothes, heals, and integrates body, mind, and spirit. For spiritual seekers, AUM isn't just a sound or a chant. It is an entry point into deeper states of awareness. Chanting AUM regularly can bring clarity to your spiritual path. It sharpens your connection to both your inner self and the universal consciousness. AUM also serves as a reminder of life's transient nature. Just as its syllables arise and dissolve into silence, so too does all creation. Recognizing this fosters detachment from daily struggles and deepens your understanding of the eternal truth. Chanting AUM in a group creates a powerful resonance. The collective vibration amplifies the sound's effects, making the entire space come alive with harmony and mindfulness. Many spiritual practitioners consider group AUM chanting a deeply transformative experience. The beauty of AUM is that it can be incorporated into your daily life beyond meditation. You can chant it at the start or end of your day, before yoga sessions, or even silently to yourself in moments of stress. It's a tool for grounding, healing, and reconnecting at any time. Even simply listening to AUM chants can help quiet your mind and provide a calming effect amid the busyness of life. AUM transcends spiritual and cultural boundaries. While it's deeply rooted in Hindu, Buddhist, and yogic traditions, its essence speaks to everyone. AUM is a universal sound, one that reminds us of the interconnectedness of all beings and the unity of existence. At first, you may find it difficult to focus while chanting AUM. Your thoughts may wander, or you might not feel the vibration immediately. These challenges are natural. With patience and practice, the sound of AUM will begin to resonate more deeply within you. Remember, chanting AUM is not about perfection. It's about intention, allowing the sound to guide you, even amidst imperfections. As we close this exploration of AUM, let us reflect on its significance. AUM is more than a sound. It is a sacred vibration, a mantra, a symbol, and a tool. It connects us to the universe while also guiding us inward to the depths of our own consciousness. Chant AUM and feel its resonance take root in your being. Let it connect you to the peace of the present moment and the infinite nature of existence. Remember, the sound of AUM is always within you, waiting to be awakened. Now take a deep breath, close your eyes, and join in chanting AUM. Let its powerful vibration harmonize your body, quiet your mind, and elevate your spirit. May AUM guide you on your spiritual journey toward healing, unity, and inner peace.